to have this pushed back indefinitely has been really stressful for me.
Scripps Ranch resident Allison Wiseman is one of the many patients impacted by the ongoing cyber attack at Scripps Health.
Being in limbo is very, very stressful.
Wiseman's sister recently found out she had cancer, and she had a breast biopsy scheduled for earlier this week that's now been postponed, with no idea when she'll be able to see a doctor.
My sister was just diagnosed 2 weeks ago with breast cancer, and my mother passed away of breast cancer. So it's very important for me to get some results.
Scripps Health officials have been tight-lipped about the malware attack that was first reported over the weekend. Their most recent update said a cybersecurity firm has been contracted to assist in restoring critical services after finding malware on computer networks. Since Saturday, the Scripps Health website and other online systems have been dark, forcing appointments and other critical operations to be put on hold.
I'm up about every hour during the night checking their website to see if it's up and running, checking the app.
Many frustrated patients are taking to social media, asking if any personal data has been compromised and when they'll be able to rebook appointments.
If it's only going to be maybe a week or a few days, I could hang on, but it's the not knowing. And that's the big frustration for me, is that Scripps has not been forthcoming with information.
Wiseman has been looking into getting treatment at UC San Diego Health, but she'd have to pay out of pocket for that.
And maybe come over to them. But because I've already had an MRI and an ultrasound and all my films, and those are not accessible through the Scripps system, I would have to start back at square one.
She's not the only one. UCSD health officials are reporting an increase in patients coming to their facilities, especially emergency rooms. A Sharp Healthcare spokesperson said they were also seeing increased emergency room visits as Scripps Health is on bypass. But neither Scripps nor county health officials would confirm that. A county spokesperson described it as a dynamic situation.
Well, I just think that Scripps really needs to let people know, let their patients know what's going on to help them and not leave us in limbo.
The state health department says they are closely monitoring the impacted hospitals, saying they are operational and caring for patients using emergency protocols. There is no indication of when the cyber attack will be resolved. The FBI says it is aware of the incident and that they take cyber crimes and their impact to communities seriously. Matt Hoffman, KPBS News.